In 1850, Prussia was divided, and the call for war against Austria grew louder. Inside the parliament, Otto von Bismarck, a young deputy, listened carefully as war fever swept through the chamber. Many believed Prussia's army could defeat Austria, but Bismarck knew their army was weak and unprepared. So Bismarck made a surprising move. He gave a speech urging peace and warning of the horrors of war. He even praised Austria, the very enemy he secretly hated and longed to defeat. The parliament was shocked and confused by his words. Some deputies changed their votes. The king, relieved by the speech, believed Bismarck to be a loyal servant of peace. As a reward, the king appointed Bismarck as a minister, giving him more power than ever before. With his new position, Bismarck quietly rebuilt the army and waited for the right time to strike. Years later, Bismarck led Prussia into war against Austria, but this time on his own terms. Prussia crushed Austria, and Germany finally moved toward unification under Prussian leadership. All of Bismarck's dreams came true, yet no one saw his hidden hand in these events. If he had shown his true goals earlier, the parliament would have turned against him. Instead, by pretending to be what they wanted, he tricked them into giving him power. He understood that revealing intentions too early is a fatal mistake for anyone seeking power.